Welcome friends. Here is an amazing tutorial, interesting tutorial about filling layers with pattern. Yes, many of us know how to fill tip area or a layer with color or with foreground color, background color or even with pattern. But have you ever tried script, pattern fill with script? If no, you are in the right place. This tutorial is for you. Let's dive into the tutorial. I will discuss here only with pattern fill. First, I am showing you an example of normal fill. We can avail it from edit menu, fill. Okay, first select my layer, normal fill, edit menu, fill, pattern. There are foreground color, background color, so many options here. I choose here pattern and uncheck script, normal for normal filling. And I am choosing a pattern, this one, the flower one. Okay, it is an example of normal fill. Now I am showing you a pattern with script. First I am showing you the brick fill. Edit, fill. First choose from your pattern and select a pattern. I am choosing this one, flower, then brick fill. You will get this window to configure your pattern, pattern scale, then spacing, then offset between rows, then color. You can randomizely color your pattern. It is normal, no color, and increasing the color randomize, you will get several colors. You even brighten it, and you can rotate it, but we cannot see it clearly as it is the circular in shape. Now okay, this is the example of brick fill. Now crosshair, edit, fill, crosshair, it should be checked. Okay, you can increase or decrease scale, not so much, like this. Spacing, and to color randomize this. If you want color, increase it, or if you don't, decrease it. Okay, this is an example of crosshair. Now place along path. For this we need a path. I am drawing a path with the ellipse tool, like this. Edit, fill, choose from here place along path, and choose another pattern, this one. Okay, the pattern is following the path. Here is an example, and same as earlier, you can decrease or increase a scale or spacing, or along from path, adjust it along the path. and distance from the path, that is offset, alternate patterns. This is all in the same way. If I check here, alternately it will be arranged, and brightness as usual as before. Okay. And again I am showing you another example. I want to place my pattern along this path. Again edit, fill, place along the path, this one. Okay, but not this time, not alternated, this one. Okay, Control J back. Again I'm doing it a little bit another way. Fill along with path, I'm decreasing the scale and spacing scale, and the rest are same as before. This is a bit smaller than the previous one. This is place along path. Now random fill, edit, fill, have to choose random fill here, random fill. Okay, like this. And another example of random fill, edit, fill, this time choosing this one, random fill. Okay, we will get this type of filling with that pattern with script. Now spiral fill, edit, fill, this time spiral with the previous one. Okay, you will get this in spiral form. You can scale again, spacing, or pattern spacing among the patterns, color randomize as before. You can add color or not if you want, brightness, no brightness, normal. Okay, this one symmetry fill, like this. And here in symmetry fill, you have many presets. You can choose from here. There are several presets. You can again configure it. So you have more options, several options. If you go for edit fill with script, there are many options for you to fill a layer or a selective area with pattern. Hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.